Hi guys, so it's May 7th and I'm at the post office just before they close, and I leave for my trip for Toronto. So the letter came through for what time the event is at. So it's at the Knox Presbyterian Church, 630 Spadina Avenue, Toronto, Ontario. And Sara's band goes on at 8:30. So they're like right in the middle of the whole event of all the bands. So now as you can see, it says National Music Competition. So like nothing is better than recording and making a story like this as you're living through it. So the goal here in sending this to the Bourbon Room in Hollywood is the Talkville live event changing its schedule, interrupting that to get Tom Welling as Charlie Baker, and Steve Martin as Tom Baker to the event, and with additional people from the movie series. If not, they have to FaceTime or Zoom me, and we have a short period of time. So I'm sending this off out in like super speed fee price-wise to get it there, to go with what I already sent them, and hope that they will take this seriously and get it to Tom while there's still time for him to either choose to be there in person, or to at least arrange how he can get as many of the co-stars and Steve Martin and him to Zoom or FaceTime and connect with me when I'm there recording the whole thing. Now I have to go find an actual Handycam cam because it's my first time I'll ever have a Handycam cam. I've never done the cam thing. I've always had digital or just used phones and tablets because I wasn't lucky enough to be allowed to have one when I was growing up. So now it's time. So that goes well with the story too. So I'm going to send this off. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes peeled for more. I just wanted to give you guys all a super update on this wonderful event. And I'm looking forward to knowing where she places. If they win, they go international. So it doesn't get any better for A Baker's Dozen coming up, starring Sara Johnson as herself, where she'll become A.K. Sara Baker, and me becoming Jennifer Baker. So peace out, everyone. Superwoman signing off at Now TV. Thanks for watching. Bye.